In this video, we have 8 Sleep Mars. Hello guys, this is Nestle from girlonthemattress.com. I sleep on a lot of mattresses and I review and test them for you. If you don't know, 8 Sleep makes smart mattresses. Specifically, they make a smart mattress cover. And you can track your sleep, collect so many data about, right now they are tracking 15 different criteria. But it is an application, it is a developing thing and non-stop. So like next year there will be new updates and new developments. Just like a Tesla car, I always say, there will be new things and it's never going to be same. It's always developing and developing and developing, and you don't have to buy and buy again because you have the software with you. So, Mars mattress is 8 Sleep's hybrid mattress. It is 11 inches with coils and foams. You can find a detailed review at the description below. I'm gonna put the links, all of the things that I'm talking about, the links you can find at the description below. As well as the exclusive discount coupon is also below at the description. And if you want to win my monthly sleep mask giveaway, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and write in the comment box below, would you consider going to Mars? Since the mattress is called Mars, I wanted to ask you that question. And if you have any questions, please write in the comment box below or email me, nestle@girlonthemattress.com. And that's all. Let's go unbox. Alexa, play Dirty Bird on Pandora.
Dirty Bird Radio from Pandora.
Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. Oh god, I'm so tired.